How can Lab Profile 2.0 help you in coaching and communications and problem solving? In coaching, you need a solid understanding of yourself, your client, and your client's capabilities and resources. In coaching, you need to know about yourself because you don't want to load your clients with your own patterns and concepts and issues. Lab 2.0 is the most practical way of understanding yourself. In coaching, you need to know about your client because you want to help your client be practical in their growth and their endeavors. Lab 2.0 is the most practical way of understanding your client. In coaching, you need to know about your client's capabilities and resources because you want to be your client's realistic mentor, sounding board, and cheerleader. Lab 2.0 prepares you for the complex tightrope walk of being there for your coaching clients on their journey. In my coaching practice, I help my clients learn what makes themselves tick. I help them explore their goals and their issues in light of their patterns of thinking and behavior. And in this exploration, we usually discover the patterns which are having an impact on achieving those goals. And we explore how to use their natural resources in overcoming those issues. As you get deeper in your study of Lab 2.0, you start to understand at a profound level that a person's patterns shift by context. They are not built of stone and steel. They are more like silk in the wind. And when a person's patterns begins to interfere with their life, they can change their context and achieve the outcomes they want in their life. As my client's mentor and sounding board and cheerleader, I bring broad and deep resources forward for helping them understand themselves in simple and practical ways so they find their own pathways for achieving their goals. In communications, Lab 2.0 is a radical departure from psychological constructs about behavior. That's why many people have difficulty believing that something so deep is actually so simple and easy to learn and master. In Lab Profile 2.0 training program, much of your learning is a new vocabulary. We're not necessarily going to discuss things you have never seen before. We're going to learn a new vocabulary and new ways of understanding those things you've seen all your life. As you learn these new ways of understanding stuff you have seen and heard all your life, your eyes and ears will start to see and hear yourself and know about others in a new way. You will know in a more fundamental and practical way. With Lab 2.0, you have an opportunity to communicate with others on a deeper level. You have an opportunity to achieve rapport at a deeper level. As you integrate Lab 2.0 material in your life, you start to understand others' actions on a deeper level. Problems just become mismatched patterns which can easily be solved by interpreting situations differently. You don't achieve these kinds of outcomes from the course by only sitting through the lessons. You achieve these outcomes by practicing, and I'll give you lots of homework which involves practice. Do that practice and you will transform many aspects of your life. The end result of this course and your practice will be communication on a much deeper level. In problem solving, your Lab 2.0 training program gives you resources which go beyond what you could have imagined before. Of course, it's up to you, but when you learn to harness the fundamental concepts and practice of Lab 2.0, You will find yourself in a new league when it comes to dealing with problems. Problems just become a combination of patterns and contexts. And as you move through this course and maintain your practice, you will quickly achieve this transformation. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the training program and hearing your success stories as you learn and integrate your understanding and use of this powerful set of tools. And you will know how well this works for you when you try it. If you want to achieve these kinds of skills, you need to sign up and take this course. I really don't know when I'll be able to offer this course again. If you want these capabilities, you need to sign up now. Yes, sign up now.